ETABS was not always this powerful. It started as a simple idea to make building analysis easier, and today it designs structures across the world. In this video, we will understand the introduction of CSI ETABS, its short and simple history, and why it became the first choice of structural engineers. So, let's begin. ETABS stands for Extended Three-Dimensional Analysis of Building System and is a powerful computer structure used by civil and structural engineers for analysis and design of buildings. It is mainly used for multi-story buildings such as residential apartments, commercial complexes, hospitals, and high-rise towers. CSI ETABS helps engineers to model the complete building in 3D, analyze loads like dead load, live load, wind load, and earthquake load, design structure elements such as beams, columns, shear walls, and foundation, produce accurate and safe building designs according to international design codes. Because of its building-oriented tools and easy interface, ETABS is widely used across the world. Now we'll see brief history of CSI ETABS. ETABS is developed by Computers and Structures, that is known as CSI, a software company based in California, USA. CSI was founded in 1975 by Ashraf Habibullah, a renowned structural engineering expert. ETABS was introduced to specially handle building structures unlike general analysis software. Over the years, ETABS evolved from 2D frame analysis to a full 3D building information modeling known as BIM based structure. New versions added advanced features like dynamic analysis, response spectrum, time history analysis, and performance based design. Today, CSI ETABS is considered an industry standard software and trusted by engineers for designing safe, economical, and earthquake resistant buildings. Why ETABS is more popular today? Easy building modeling with grids and stories, accurate seismic and wind analysis, supports multiple international codes, that is IS, ACI, and Euro codes, etc. Widely accepted in professional practice and government projects. CSI ETABS is not only the product of CSI. There are so many products available, and that are SAP 2000, CSI Safe, CSI Bridge, CSI Column, CSI Detail, Perform 3D, CSI XCAD. There are so many worldwide examples of structures analyzed by using CSI ETABS, and I will show you some of them. One is Marina Bay Sand Hotel, Singapore. Second is One World Trade Center, USA. Third one is Petronas Twin Towers, Malaysia. Fourth one is Taipei 101, Taiwan. And fifth one, Burj Khalifa, Dubai, UAE.